In today's video, I'm gonna talk about AliExpress coupons and I'm gonna teach you guys how to get more discounts. So before that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, before any further ado, let's just directly go to AliExpress. Now, you can directly go to aliexpress.com too. And after you've gone there, now after you're on AliExpress, you can just scroll down to see the discounts. Right here you will see the big save. Now just go there. You can even see on the super deals limited 50% off. Now right here you can see the deals. Scroll down to see. Now these are some major discounts. Now let's go to big save sale. Now you can see it right here that there are discounts up to 70% off. You can see right here 55, 69, 65, 40 and so much more. If you scroll down a bit, you will see even 94% off right there, guys. Now this is for limited time only, guys, so just comment shop in your AliExpress. Now I'll show you guys another trick that you can use to just get more discounts. Now just go open up another tab and search for coupon code in, and after you search for coupon code in, go to the top link right here, or you can directly go to couponcodeinc.com. Now this is the site right here, and after you do that, just go to the search bar and type for AliExpress and just wait for it to load. And right there's AliExpress. Now as you can see right here, there are even more discounts right here. You can get free shipping, you can get 12% off. Now there are even more greater discounts, but sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not, so you can use this site to get even more coupons too. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye, take care.